Here at the Primer residence doing a shingle repair. It's an A-frame gable, pretty steep, actually very steep. There's damage on the left and right sides. I'm going to simulate a repair to show that it's, see what the repairability is. It's close to 20 years old, so it's likely not repairable. I'll start off by prying the shingles apart and seeing what happens. Got one there. So you got some diameter loss from propping the shingles loose. Sign that it's 20 years old. Three. Almost done detention. Got mat transfer right there. Or lower delamination. It's already causing damage just from attaching the shingles. Here's the shingle. Removing the shingle. Almost. Okay. Definitely tearing. Nail these shingles back, or nails back down. You want to retrieve them all and put new nails in. But I'm going to nail them back down so there's no leaks. Okay,